Hey friends, Tux here. You know, I am super pumped because it is close to the holidays. I am shopping in full steam for all my people, and one site I'm going to a lot is this Lotus Bliss. I've reviewed their products before. If you go back in my queue, there's a few videos of some amazing items, and I'm being told that in this very box is one of the most sought after and expensive items on their website. So we're going to check that out, so be sure and hang tight to the end of the video. But if you're not familiar, I should mention I will have a link for Lotus Bliss right below to get the very best price. And the website itself has all sorts of great things. If you're not familiar, they make all sorts of great jewelry, handcrafted. The artisans pick the best stones. They look for the very best stones, so they're all very unique and very original, and not like a factory or grown stone. You know, it's like a original, true piece of quartz or amethyst or whatever stone is in a particular item. So very cool, very spiritually significant, and just really great to give. It's a really great, unique gift. But let's go ahead and dive into this box. Now the holidays are coming up, guys, and Lotus Bliss are a great way to go. I want to mention they pack things beautifully. They ship awesome. Very cool. Like we got a little stamp there. We'll pull that off here to reveal today's product. So here we go. And inside here you can see beautifully wrapped, very secure. We got packing and everything here to keep your little treasures safely delivered to you. We'll go ahead and rip this up here. There we go. And oh, look at that, guys. We got some goodies in here today. Now Lotus Bliss include a nice little velvet bag to keep it in, which is really cool. If you're traveling, it's really nice to actually be able to keep things maybe outside of a case, but it's something you can pack down but keep it safe and secure. Just beautiful velvety bag, very cool, with the Lotus Bliss logo right there. And this does cinch up, or you can hold the handle here and put your little treasures in. So very cool. Oh, it does cinch. Here's a little cinch for you. There we go, just like that. So very cool, nice little pack in. And here we have 3 different boxes. Oh my gosh, what will be in today's boxes? Now Lotus Bliss always do such an amazing job with their boxes. Look at that beautiful, silky, minty green box. Very, very giftable. Looks like $1 million, man. It looks awesome. Loving it. All the little artwork and things on there feels very good quality. Just perfect for gifting. But let's go ahead and see. I can't wait any longer, guys. Let's see what we have in our first box. We'll open this up and check it out. Oh my God, it's one of my favorite stones, guys. If you're not familiar, this is a regular amethyst raw stone necklace. Okay, beautiful little piece of amethyst there. Check it out. Look at the purples in there. It's got some different hues of purple in there and white. It looks beautiful. Loving the little knot and everything about that, man. That is looking good. Another thing that makes amethyst so special is its unique ability to help you, okay? It's meant to drive emotional balance, protection from negative energies, and intuition and psychic awareness. It's very popular. It's one of the most popular stones, and honestly, guys, it's one of my very favorites too. Loving it. And this raw stone version of it is beautiful, guys. I'm loving all the little nooks and crannies you can just get lost in. That is a beautiful piece. Okay, time to check out the second box here, guys. Again, beautiful box, very giftable. Let's go ahead and see what we have on the inside. Let's pop this open. And oh my gosh, I do not have any of this. Wow, look at how deep and shiny that is. If you're not familiar with this, this is a regular obsidian raw stone necklace. So very cool. If you're not familiar with what that means, basically this is volcanic glass, okay? Which is really cool. Really unique cut. Very shiny, lots of great little crevices and things. Their artisans did a great job. Oh, look at the back. That was almost like little waves and things. I am loving the cut of this. Very, very cool. Nice little detail touches. We got some beads here. Looks like there's a wooden one and a little round one. We got some little gold accents there and a beautiful little band to go along with it. Let me show the back of this here. Oops. Oh, there's more. Wow. I didn't expect this. This has all sorts of cool things on the side here too. Very cool little stones and accents. Look at that. And that little wound. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. And this is the first time I've actually had one of these too. So really cool. And black, of course, goes with really everything. So look at that beautiful cut. As far as the symbolism and benefits of obsidian, very cool stone to have. And I'm so happy I can really use one of these because I do not have this in my collection again. But traditionally it's regarded as a protective stone. You know, it's believed to shield you against negativity and promote clarity and grounding. As far as spiritual use, it's a tactical focal point, so very cool. And emotional resistance is supposed to help strengthen your strength in times of need or give you clarity when you need it. So very, very cool. It's meant to improve personal growth and just, again, just a beautiful piece. I'm loving how shiny that is, and the cut here is great. And here we are, guys. This is the big one. Let's go ahead and check it out. It comes in a beautiful box, as you'd suspect. Loving the silkiness, loving the artwork and craftsmanship on it. Just a great way of getting into this product. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and see what we have here, guys. Opening this up here. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is beautiful. There's a lot to soak in here, guys. This is a Tibetan malachite necklace. I never would have expected this. Wow. Let me go ahead and show this. There's so much going on, like as far as the artwork and craftsmanship here. First off, the main necklace piece. Loving. Look how reflective that is and how beautiful it is. Very cool. And oh, they got the beads on the back. That's great. There's, I believe, supposed to be 5 or 6 different beads that represent different things. So very cool. And they're loose in there just to float around. Now the malachite is just a beautiful stone. It's meant for its transformation, emotion, clarity, and also protection, which is really good. And that's the overall theme of this whole necklace. I mean, so beautiful, guys. Everything about this. And the craftsmanship, the use of natural materials and hand-painted details reflects a deep respect for cultural heritage and spiritual storytelling. So very cool. And just, man, there's so much, like the little charms in here and the little beads. That looks like a little pink butterfly. This looks like kind of like a little white skull, crystal skull. I mean, just so much. Look at all these little charms hanging from it. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Loving the little knots and the braids here and how at the ends are the little frayed. I mean, just the artisans really outdid themselves with this. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This would make an amazing gift for someone for Christmas, or heck, you know, amazing gift for yourself too. Just absolutely beautiful. This is perfect for wearers seeking meaning, you know, perfect for those drawn to symbolic, spirituality, inspired jewelry. It is really just a work of art, guys. And something like this is so intricate. There's so much going on here. This can be worn, but of course this can also be displayed as a decorative keepsake. So that is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I imagine put like a nice piece of wood or a branch or something, have it overlaying on it, you know, on a desk or something. That would be a great way to go too. But I mean, just wearing this, oh my gosh, there's so much going on with all the beads and everything. It truly is beautiful, guys. To recap, Lotus Bliss have definitely outdone themselves with 3 amazing pieces. The raw stone necklaces, beautiful little cuts. Oh my gosh, just such detail. Feels very genuine, very earthy, very original. Loving all the little extra little touches to these, the knots, the stones. And then this one here, oh my gosh, there is so much going on with this. This is truly a work of art that you can wear or display. Just absolutely beautiful. At the end of my videos, I like to try and pick a favorite, but you know, guys, I'm having a really hard time. I would have to go with this one just because of so many little extra beads and knots and frays and beautiful charms on this. Absolutely beautiful. But they're all very cool. I don't have any of this in my collection, so this is the first one. And of course, we know amethyst, I've said many times, is one of my very favorite stones. So very cool stuff, guys. Again, the holidays are coming up. It's a perfect time to think about those unique gifts. And Lotus Bliss do an amazing job of giving out amazing gifts for you, for yourself, and for others to give to other people. It's just great stuff, guys. Again, I will have a link for this right below, and there is a limited edition coupon too, a coupon code in the description, so act fast. And for the holidays, again, this could be perfect for you guys. Just, I mean, oh my gosh, like any of these make an amazing gift, and I'll be proud to wear these throughout my different travels. We have a couple trips coming up. We're going to Miami in December, and then of course we're going to Chicago next year and Anaheim. So if you see me out in the field, be sure and say hi and ask me what Lotus Bliss necklace I'm wearing, and I will show you gladly. But just beautiful stuff, guys. I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, you guys know I'm here to help. Ask me in the comments down below, or shoot me an email to tuxtoys@gmail.com. And again, you guys, I'm here for you, okay? Thanks for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.